crocodiles were giving locals sleepless nights. But instead of attacking the unwanted reptile, a group of youngsters decided to rehabilitate them in a nearby sanctuary. Thanks to their efforts, almost 200 crocodiles were saved. Pankaj Khelkar with this story.
This is Chiplan, an as yet small town but urbanizing fast on the Mumbai-Goa National Highway. Snuggled between Sahyadri and Western Ghats, Chiplan is situated on the banks of river Vashishti. The bad news for humans and crocs alike is that the marshy land over here has become a new habitat for crocodiles since the area got flooded in 2005. The increasing number of reptiles in the area started to threaten the local population of Homo sapiens. Heavy rain is quite common in this region, and as the water level rises, the gators find themselves trapped in human habitats. Panicked, people attack them.
मगरमच्छ है कुछ बिगाड़ेंगे तब तो वो भी बिगाड़ेगा हम लोग का। हाँ। नहीं उसे क्यों बिगाड़ेगा? उसके जब तक पत्थर उत्तर नहीं मारेंगे तब तक हम कैसे बिगाड़ेगा?
इसी के लिए उसको फूड अवेलेबिलिटी और जो घोंसला बनाते हैं, नेस्ट बनाते हैं, वो नेस्ट के लिए परफेक्ट उनको जगह मिल जाती है और पहले से इधर हैबिटेट उनका है ही, इसलिए हम लोग उसको जो गांव वाले वगैरह देते हैं पकड़ के, नहीं तो हम लोग उसको उनके घर में जाके जो पकड़ते हैं ना, तो इधर आके हम लोग छोड़ते हैं उनको।
रेस्क्यू के समय जान तो जोखिम में डालना ही पड़ता है। मैंने अभी हाल ही में एक रेस्क्यू किया था, वो क्रोकोडाइल बहुत छोटा था लेकिन वेल के अंदर गया था, वो फ्लड के टाइम में अंदर घुस गया था और अभी हाल ही में 1 महीना पहले मैंने उसका रेस्क्यू किया है वेल के अंदर उतर के, और उस टाइम में वेल में पूरा नीचे उतरा था, उसके सामने वो जाव फैला कर सामने मेरे देख रही थी और मैंने उसके ऊपर जाव के ऊपर हाथ रखकर उसको बंद कर दिया, टेपिंग कर दिया और ऊपर लेके आया, तो वो तो खतरा रहता ही है।
Now for the good news. A group of young enthusiasts are rescuing the reptiles and rehabilitating them. And don't take that to mean good news of the reptilian kind only. The two-legged local inhabitants are also happy to see the wide-toothed menace disappear, albeit in a humane manner. The Save the Crocodile enthusiasts had a hand in changing the mindset of Chiplanites by starting an initiative to educate them, making them see the good side of their unwanted reptilian neighbors. Slow but steady, an understanding of live and let live has started to seep into Chiplan. A change of heart, that is the real good news of this story.
In Chiplan, there is a problem in the rainy season where floods happen, and in this flooding, a lot of crocodiles enter the city areas, and that is one problem where the citizens are facing. And these young volunteers are helping them at any given time and helping to rescue these crocs back to the natural habitat.
वो ये सर 1/4 भी नहीं है, ये मैंग्रोव्स भी चले गए हैं because of this bad influence and other things. तो हम लोग आपसे सब लोगों को अपील करना चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट और हम लोग जैसे एनजीओस और ये लोकल बन के हम लोग मैंग्रोव्स भी उसको ये कर सकते हैं, और यहाँ कोकोनट प्लांटेशन और बीटल नट का भी प्लांटेशन अच्छा हो सकता है।
Nearly 200 crocodiles have been saved in the past decade, and as per latest reports, no humans have till date suffered any harm, both due to the presence and now the absence of these crocodilians.
I had a nice time and great experience seeing these wonderful crocodiles so close to the human dwellings. The encouraging part, besides raising the awareness levels, these youths not only rescue but rehabilitate the crocodiles to their natural habitat. These crazy conservationists feel that the government should also do a lot to encourage them so that they continue the activity of protecting these reptiles. With cameraman Gopal Harne and Rubin Mujawar, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Chiplan for Headlines Today.
What would you do if somebody gave you a one-way ticket to Mars? Would you take it? Would you be ready to give up your life on Earth for a new beginning on the Red Planet? If your answer is yes, this one's for you. And NGO in the Netherlands is working towards building a human establishment on Mars.